Well guys, it seems like the City Girls have officially broken up on paper. So I first seen this story from Ken Barbie, and it says, dang, that City Girls split is official on paper now, as the girls feature on Camilla's upcoming album has been changed to the now label themselves as separate acts, Young Miami and JT respectively. And as you guys can see, it says Dade County Dreamin' featuring JT and Young Miami. Now about a week ago, Young Miami was being interviewed and she actually spoke on the City Girls breaking up.
Album just dropped and it didn't do too well, and we was just like trying to do our press run. You know, the whole rollout of the album was just so bad because we was just in two different spaces. You know, like we older now, and it was just like she was doing her own thing. She on the West Coast, I'm in Miami, I'm doing my own thing, and I felt like naturally when she doing her own thing, it just worked for her, and when I'm doing my own thing, it worked for me. But when we get together as a group, it just wasn't connecting. Like it just wasn't working no more. So I think we both was at a point where we was just like, we probably should just do our own
right.
But that was the point for me.
Well, you guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. How do you guys feel about the City Girls officially being broken up? So moving on to the next topic, you guys know Cardi B dissed Bia. Bia basically made a diss track about Cardi B and how Cardi B was allegedly cheating on Offset. So Cardi B was on live the other day and she basically said that she has a diss track and that it is very mean and that her people don't want her to put it out because it's a pretty mean diss track.
I want to drop something on Thursday, but they telling me not to drop it. Should I drop it? Should I leak it? Huh? I don't know. It's very mean. Very, very mean. So bad, Quay. Complex said, yeah, you want me to drop it because it's messy. Complex, you messy. You messy.
Well, it seems like Cardi B's team does not want her to put the song out, but she wants the song out. She even talked about leaking it. But moving on to the last and final topic, Sexyy Red decided to go off on someone, or should I say she decided to go off on trolls because they're always asking her where her kids at, and here was her response.
Like, why she don't post her kids? Why is y'all worried about my kids? Like, they right here cool, they fed, they clean, they good. What's going on? Why is y'all worried about my kids? Go have some kids and worry about them dirty ass bitches. The fuck? For real. Okay, I'm sorry, but they be pissing me off. Like, yeah, my kids is right here. They good. They always with me, bitch. Thank you. Good and fed. Very, very well fed. A lot of toys over here. Big ass house. We living, bitch. Rich baby mama hoe. Talk about where the kids at. Bitch, my kids ain't got Instagram. Is you cool, bitch? My kids ain't on Instagram. They're not going to be on Instagram. They don't have Instagram.
You can hear Sexyy Red's son in the background like, Mama, don't say that, which means she is teaching him right from wrong, and he know that Mama is out here saying some stuff she ain't supposed to be saying. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on these topics down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.